Hello, Madam Shamila and my fellow friends. Welcome to my presentation. First of all, I am Shakira binti Hamid. My matriculation number is 10DIB 21F1017. I'm excited to be here and I hope all of you have a wonderful time with me. Today, I'm going to tell you about the current issue, which is about the bullying. Bullying is a very popular disease among the school students today. Bullies may be specified as endangered species who make ridicule of others for their own fun. Although life is a journey and tough fight, but not everyone a fighter. Students with money power try to harm other students and kiss their dignity and innocence for the entire school life. In addition, the cause of symptoms of bullying occurs in our society at the adolescent level is due to the influence of television and mass media. The increasing age factor makes a person want to show his strength by being a bully as a result of the influence of local films such as KL Gangster and others. Art materials that display the bad side of a society should not be a public spectacle because young children are easily influenced and want to try new things. The main effect of bullying symptoms in school is that students who are bullied will feel afraid to come to school. We are well aware that most victims of bullying are usually physically smaller when compared to bullies. Bullies will usually tell them to do something for their bullies' own benefit. If they objected, they will be beaten and abused. There were some bullies who brought their friends to trash the bully student. As for the female student, they like to insult and curse each other. This act can cause the victim desperation and fear. It is clear that the rate of skipping school among bullied students will increase because they are afraid to come to school. Steps that can be taken to prevent the symptom of bullying among young people is to spend quality time with family. Parents play an important role in caring for all aspects of their children's life. Sharing problems, conversation about the nature of life, and recreation together are examples of noble practice that should be practiced in every family institution where a relationship becomes closer and the love between family members becomes strong and trustworthy. The moral value is we should do our best to eradicate this symptom of bullying so that it does not spread and damage the harmony of our society in the future. We must educate the children of good custom and culture from a young age so that it will not be troublesome in the future. A prosperous society begins with individuals who are virtuous, happy, and skilled, so that the next generation will be generation that live in harmony while ensuring that the country continues to be competitive and develop globally. Among the reasons is that we must have the nature of humanity or composition. Humanity is a trait that should be possessed by every person such as considerate and compassionate. We should have this nature in others so as not to be cruel to the others. For example, if we have an attitude or empathy in ourselves, we will not occasionally commit acts of bullying to others because we will put ourselves in the place of the victim of bullying will not only live in fear but will experience in lifelong trauma. So all parties must work hard together to address the issue of bullying so that the cases displayed on social media related to bullying can be resolved. Art activists and television stations must display the beauty and prosperity as well as the richness of our people policy more and more often, as well as the social responsibility of the media in helping to build a happy and harmonious society. Issue bullying is very sensitive, so everyone need together avoid issue bullying so our country can free from bullying. That's all for me. Thank you.